Good afternoon. Quick message for Estefania. Hola, Estefania. Is that? I think that's Spanish, isn't it? I think so. Gracias por comprar la motosierra. Muchas gracias. I hope you love the saw. Before I box her up, I will show her running one last time. So, not being used since I did the last video, and make sure that's off. Has ferocious compression. I'm sure you will love the saw. Kill switch, throttle lock, choke. Muchas gracias, Estefania. It's a beautiful saw, and hope you love it. Take care using it. She has so much couldn't believe it. She has so much compression. So thank you very much. So it's Easter. The couriers won't collect Monday, but they will pick up on Tuesday. And I hope we deal again. Bye for now.